Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. So on today we'll proceed to our next topic, that is sum of measures of the exterior angles of a polygon. Okay. Now first of all of you must be familiar with the exterior angles of a polygon. Okay. That means what? If a polygon is given to you, okay, so the angle which is not involved in that polygon, that means what? Which is not inside that polygon, is called what? Exterior angle. Okay, so from this figure I will explain you the interior angle as well as the exterior angle. Okay, so just see this figure. Okay, this figure, which polygon it is? It is a triangle. Okay, now it is a triangle, so which are the interior angles of these triangles? So this angle is considered as an interior angle of this triangle. Here it is the interior angle, and this also the interior angle. Why? Because these three angles are in the polygon, so they are called interior angle. And this angle is called the exterior angle of a triangle. That means what? Polygon के अंदर वाले जो angles है, okay, they are called interior angles. Means जो shape है polygon का उसके अंदर आने वाले angles, okay, और जो बाहर angle बन रहा है, just see here. So these angles which is formed outside of polygon or in the exterior of polygon is called exterior angles. Understand or not? Okay. So proceeding further. Now the summation of all the angles, that is all the exterior angles of a polygon, is how much? 360 degree. Always keep this in mind. Means आपको कोई भी polygon दिया गया हो, okay, so वो polygon का exterior जो angle होगा, means polygon के बाहर वाले angle जो होगा, that all the summation of all the exterior angles of a polygon is how much? 360 degree. Okay, so I will explain you on the basis of the example. यहाँ मैं एक triangle का example लेता हूँ. Suppose this one, that is the exterior angle x. Okay, if I am considering exterior angle y, and if I am considering exterior angle, okay, यहाँ तीन exterior angles मैंने लिए हैं, y angle, then z, and this one is x. Okay, ये एक triangle है जिसके तीन exterior angles है. एक angles का नाम y है, दूसरा angle का मेजर z y, एक एंगल का मेजर x है, दूसरे एंगल का मेजर y है, और तीसरे वाले एंगल्स का मेजर है z. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द समीशन ऑफ ऑल एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स? मीन जितने भी एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स आपको दिए गए हैं वो सारों का समीशन इज हाउ मच? 360 डिग्री. दैट मींस व्हाट? x plus y plus z, that is equal to how much? 360 डिग्री. मींस आपको कोई भी पॉलीगॉन दिया गया हो और वो पॉलीगॉन के जितने भी एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स होंगे उन सारे का समीशन करोगे, दैट इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? 360 डिग्री. अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट? ओके, सो वी विल प्रोसीड टू आवर नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, दैट इज एक्सरसाइज 3.2. So in the first question, what it is given to you of exercise 3.2, find x in the following figures. Okay, so the figures are given to you, and in that figure you have to find the value of the measure angle x. Means जिसकी unknown value आपको find करनी है. Understand or not? So the first figure is given to you is a triangle. Okay, first polygon given to you is which one? That is a triangle. Okay, so जो triangle दिया गया है उसके exterior angles, so one of the exterior angle is x, another exterior angle is how much? 125 degree, and the third one exterior angle is how much? 125 degree. Okay, but we all know that is the summation of exterior angles of the polygon is how much? 360 degree. So sum of all exterior angles of polygon, that is equal to how much? 360 degree. That is equal to how much? 360 degree. That is summation of all the exterior angles. तो यहाँ कौन से exterior angles दिए गए हैं आपको? First one, so therefore x, okay, another one, that is how much? 125 degree, and the third one, that is how much? 125 degree. That is equal to how much? 360 degree. Understand or not? Okay, so therefore x plus, now 125 plus 125, that is equal to how much? 250 degree. That is equal to how much? 360 degree. Okay, now change the side of 250 from LHS to RHS. So therefore x is equal to 360 degree minus 250 degree. Understand or not? So last previous video के अंदर भी कुछ students confused हो गए थे. Actually that was a trick, okay, to just know the concentration of the students. That's it. Understand or not? Okay, otherwise you all know the solution of the previous chapters as well as same exercise 3.1 का भी क्या solution था, you all know about it. Okay, so that trick was to just check the concentration of the students. Understand or not? कि आप कर तो रहे हो लेकिन कितने ध्यान से कर रहे हो. Understand or not? तो मैंने इसलिए जानबूझकर एक गलती की थी to know that which students have a 100% concentration. That's it. Okay, so here the same thing, subtraction is there, so do the subtraction. So therefore x is equal to, now 360 minus 250. So 360 minus 250, that is equal to how much? Yes please, 100 degree. No. Okay, देखो क्या होता है कि कभी कभी आप वीडियोस देखते हो तो कुछ possible, may be possible that you have a 100% concentration or not. Okay, तो ये छोटी चीजें कभी कभी स्टूडेंट्स ध्यान नहीं रखते. So that is the reason that why I willingly, that means what, जानबूझकर मैंने वो मिस्टेक की थी. Okay, and I get a comment from some of the very good students. Okay, and मैंने एक्सपेक्टेशन थोड़ी ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स की थी बट सिर्फ 2 ही स्टूडेंट्स ने कमेंट कर पाए. ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल. ओके, सो 360 minus 250, that is equal to how much? 110 degree. So the value of the exterior angle of this triangle, that is equal to how much? 110 degree. Okay, so this is the solution of the first figure of exercise 3.2. Now proceeding to the second figure. Yes, now the second figure given to you is in this way. Okay, so the second figure, that is, it contains how many sides? 5 sides are there, so it is a pentagon. Okay, but we know that the summation of all the exterior angles, that is equal to how much? 360 degree. Now one by one we will check whether there are exterior angles given to you or not. Okay, first one 60 degree outside the figure, so it is an exterior angle. Another one, this box is given to you, that is nothing, that is called what? 90 degree. So it is how much? 90 degree. It is also an exterior angle. 70 degree. It is also an exterior angle. X, that is also an exterior angle. But here just see 90 degree. That is the interior angle is given to you. Okay. So what will be the exterior angle here? So how much exterior angle it is? Okay. So here it is 90 degree. So here it is also the same thing. That is how much? 90 degree. That is equal to how much? 90 degree. Or the summation of total angle from here to here, that is the straight angle, that is equal to how much? 180 degree. Understand or not? So all of the exterior angles are known to us, that is 60 degree, 90 degree, 70 degree, unknown value x, and the 90 degree. So we all know that sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon, that is equal to how much? 360 degree. Understand or not? So one by one I will write. Okay, starting from here. So therefore, starting from x plus another value, that is equal to how much? 90 degree plus next value, that is how much? 60 degree. Then next value 90 degree, and the next value is equal to how much? 70 degree, and the summation of all, that is equal to how much? 360 degree. Now do the summation of all these values, that is 90 plus 60, that is equal to how much? 150 degree. 150 plus 90, that is equal to how much? 240 degree. And 240 plus 70, that is equal to how much? 310 degree. Okay, आप ये सारे वैल्यू को समीशन करो तो आंसर यू विल गेट, that is equal to how much? 310 degree. So therefore x plus 310 degree, that is equal to how much? 360 degree. Okay, now change the side of 310 from LHS to RHS. So therefore x is equal to 360 degree minus 310 degree. So therefore the value of x is equal to how much? 360 minus 10, that is equal to how much? 50 degree. So the exterior angle, the unknown exterior angle given to you x, the value of x, that is equal to how much? 50 degree. Now proceeding further to the second question. Yes. Now before proceeding to the second question, okay, first of all understand one thing, that is the concept behind the second question. Okay. Now if the number of sides are given to you, okay, of a regular polygon, okay, regular polygon का मतलब क्या है? सारी sides का measure कितना होगा, length कितनी होगी, equal होगी. Understand or not? So if the regular polygon is given to you, so how you will find the value of the exterior angle, means हर एक exterior angle की value कितनी होगी. So the formula for finding the exterior, each exterior angle of a regular polygon is, so measure of each exterior angle of regular polygon is equals to, if the number of sides you know, okay, and the figure is a regular polygon, so how you will find the measure of each angle of a regular, measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon, and the formula is, that is 360 degree divided by number of sides. Okay, so 360 divided by number of sides, so that will give you the measure of each of the exterior angle of a regular polygon. Understand or not? So in the second question, first thing is given to you that find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon, and the number of sides in the first given to you is 9 sides. Okay, 9 sides are given to you. Okay, so you have to use the same formula. Okay, that means what? Measure of each exterior angle of polygon, regular polygon, is equals to 360 degree divided by, now how many sides are given to you? Because in a denominator we have to write number of sides. So how many sides are given to you? That is 9 sides are given to you. So divide by 9. Understand or not? Okay. So by the method of cancellation, 9 4s are 36. So what will be the answer? 40 degree. अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट. सो दैट मीन्स व्हाट, अगर कोई रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन है जिसकी 9 साइड्स है, तो उसका हर एक एक्सटीरियर एंगल कितना मेजरमेंट का होगा? दैट इज हाउ मच? 40 डिग्री. अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट? ओके. नाउ द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. नाउ इन द सेकंड क्वेश्चन 15 sides are given to you. How many sides? 15 sides are given to you. Okay, so you have to find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon, and the formula is the same, that is 360 degree divided by number of sides. So put it, that is equal to 360 degree divided by, how many sides are given to you? That is 15 sides are given to you. Okay, so 360 divided by 15. Okay, so that is equal to, now do the division, or you can do by the cancellation method also, just like 3 5s are in this way. Okay, and 3 1s are, 2s are, and 0. Understand? So 120 divided by 5. Understand or not? Now if 120 divided by 5, okay, so if 5 2s are 10, okay, and 5 4s are 20. Okay, so the final answer, that is equal to how much? 24. Understand or not? So the measure of each angle of a regular polygon whose number of sides is how much? 15. So the measure of the each exterior angle of that polygon is how much? 24 degree. Understand or not? Okay. So students, we'll continue our remaining questions from our next lecture. Okay. Thank you very much and have a good day.